So hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing dragon art design. So it's this on my right is the resource we're going to use to make this amazing design. And before we start, I'm going to set up a riddle question for you guys. So if you know the answer, put it in the comment section. And if you don't know the answer, just stay tuned and watch the video. I'm going to put the answer anywhere in the video. And without wasting much time, let us begin. So this design, I'm gonna shift it. It's like the original design. Yeah, this is the original design actually. I'm gonna go to my bitmaps, go to quick trace. Alright, so once it's done tracing, you ungroup the object. So now it has been ungrouped. So I'm gonna separate the components and use the ones that I already made. So this is just what I'm gonna need. I'm gonna delete this other one because I don't need it. So this, I'm gonna highlight this one, hold my shift key and select the other ones like this. So I'm just gonna select everything. Alright, I'm gonna go to my interactive field, so I'm gonna do it this way. Take this down a little. So on this white box, I'm gonna give it a black color. I'm gonna create another box by double clicking on this line. I'm gonna give it an orange color. Or rather, let's switch it. So I'll give this a black color, give this an orange color. Alright, yeah, this is good. Alright, so this is perfect. So once I'm done with this, I'm gonna select this other one. Just gonna give it an orange color. So like I always say, do not think that the design is hard. Instead, just try it out and you actually see how easy it is to make the design. So this, I'm gonna highlight it, highlight every single bit. So like I did before, hold my shift key to highlight every single thing. I'm gonna give it an orange color. And I want to shift this aside. I'm just moving it this way so it can be in a straight line. Alright. So this, I'm gonna highlight it. I'm gonna unselect the other ones that I don't want to change. So I just want to change the head of the dragon. So I'm going to give it a black color, but first I'll go to my interactive field tool, just like I did in this one. I'm going to shift it this way. Yeah, this is already in black, so I don't need to give it another black color. So I'm going to give this red, a deep red color, sorry, an orange color. What am I saying? That was my bad, a deep red color. So I just want the little part of the dragon to be black. Alright, so this is perfect. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So I'm gonna bring this back to where it was. Yeah, I think it was right here. So you can see how easy it is to make this design within minutes. So you can try the other one yourself, try testing it out. It's just a matter of changing the color. So like in this first one, this was the one I just did. So I put black at the bottom, orange at the side, then orange in the stripes of the dragon, then black and red for the head of the dragon. So the other one is just a different combination of matching colors. So in this case I put red at the bottom, black at the side, black at the stripes of the dragon, and orange. There's a little bit of dark red and orange at the head of the dragon. And now I'm gonna go straight to the flame of it. So the flame is not really hard. Just go to your 2-point line tool. I'm just gonna do a quick outline of the flame. And go to your shape tool. Alright, so we're just basically gonna right click and select convert to curve in this. I want to take this out a little. Alright, this doesn't look too bad, it just needs a little adjustment. So I'm gonna bring this right here. Okay, and this looks more good, or like more perfect. Let's put a little adjustment over here too. Let's bring this over. Alright. So this flame, I'm going to give it the black and red color too. So I'll go to my interactive field. I'm going to do it this way rather. Push it down a bit. Push it down again. So on this white box, I'm going to give it a dark red color. So I can bring this down so that the red will be able to show. I'm going to remove the outline by simply right clicking on this white box. I'll just take it to the mouth of the dragon. So you can see how easy it is. So with this, you can see how it looks exactly like this one. So I'm going to leave you a task to do. So you're going to do this other one. Just try it and improve your skills in this. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.